Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge haul from the Tanger outlets. I recently picked up a bunch of new clothes from H&M, off Saks, Fifth Avenue. I have some home items, just really a big haul. I feel like I haven't done one in so long, but I finally have been getting settled into my new apartment and I've had some time to do some shopping. So yeah, if you like videos about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, the occasional shopping haul, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and keep watching. So the first thing that I got were these two really cute glasses from Kirklands. I know like Anthropologie makes a very similar glass, and these were like $8.99 each. And I just got the clear. I thought they were very aesthetic. I love these like little beads on the bottom. Just really pretty for water, for coffee, for a cocktail, whatever. I just love them and I thought they were super cute. Moving on over into what I got from H&M. I haven't shopped at H&M in a minute. I feel like I just haven't gotten clothes in a minute, honestly. I've been getting so much home decor. But I really needed like a zip-up hoodie now that I'm not working out in my parents' basement and I actually walk down to the gym or I drive to a spin class. I need like a very casual zip-up so I'm not like messing up my ponytail. And believe it or not, I have like no zip-up hoodies, like not one, because I'm not a hoodie girl. Whatever it is, I just don't like love a hoodie. But for like practical purposes, like to throw on over like leggings and a sports bra, I'll wear one for like that purpose. So I got this for 20 bucks from H&M. It's light gray. It's actually really, really soft and really nice quality for only being 20 bucks. I feel like it's kind of a dupe for the Aritzia hoodie because I don't know, Aritzia just makes those like really basic hoodies like that I feel like everyone's wearing. I also got this really pretty like taupey colored like slightly cropped sweater with these beautiful rhinestones on them. I think this was like kind of on sale from the holiday collection. I love H&M sweaters. They're honestly like pretty good quality for the price, and I feel like this will just look really cute with a pair of like mom jeans or boyfriend jeans, and just perfect for like a night out, a date night, a little dinner, anything like that. I just thought it was super cute. I'm going on quite a few trips this year, and this was like a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I picked up these zebra wide leg pants. They are so comfortable. They're kind of lightweight, so I think they'll be more for like my summer or late spring trips. And I also got this little knit cream colored crop tank top, so I can wear this whole outfit together, and I feel like it's a really cute and comfortable travel outfit. Moving on to what I got at the LOFT outlet. I haven't shopped at the LOFT outlet in like probably a year. Our office is very, very casual and we can mostly wear jeans. But sometimes you just want to look cute, and I feel like dress pants are kind of trendy. However, I like only have skinny dress pants. So I found these and I got them for 15 bucks. And they have like this cute little gold button there, and they're kind of like cinched at the waist. And they're like almost like the paper bag style, but they're a little bit more, I would say, like straight legged. And they're like cream with this like brown and black stripe, which I feel like is so versatile. You can definitely just wear like a black turtleneck, a black sweater, or a brown sweater with it, and it'll just look really like pulled together. So these fit great. They were very comfortable and they were an amazing price, so I figured I would pick them up. And then what I got from off what's it called? Yeah, off Saks Fifth Avenue. I think I'm butchering that, but you guys know what store I mean. I got these black like faux leather pants. These fit so nice. I cannot tell you how many pairs of like these faux leather pants I've tried on that just have not been flattering, that have been uncomfortable, that have looked either like super cheap, or they've been really, really expensive and an unreasonable amount of money to spend on one pair of pants. However, I got these for, they were on the red tag. I believe these were like 15 bucks, maybe 20. I know they were like really, really reduced. And my favorite part is they have this like slit on the side. So they're really, really trendy. They're straight legged, they're super high waisted, yet very comfortable. And I love this slit. So these are just perfect for going out. And I know I will be wearing these a ton. also got a pair of jeans from Seven for All Mankind. I got the flared style in white, and these are really cute. I've been on the hunt for the perfect pair of white jeans. I did want like a cropped, more like boyfriend style rather than the flared, but again, this was such a good price. I think these were like also like $25, and the original price was $198. So these are some high quality denim, and they fit really nicely, and I literally don't have any white jeans, so yeah, I thought these would be perfect for spring and summer. Finally, I did get a few things at the cosmetics company. I got this Clinique eye makeup remover. It was like $5. It was like 75% off, and I got this whole big thing of it. I am like almost out of my Neutrogena eye makeup remover. I feel like I'll be out of it in like a month or so, and when I saw the price of this, I was like, I'm buying this, no questions asked. This is such a good deal. And I also got a foundation, the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. They did not have my shade that I normally get, but I got this one, which is like pretty close, and I was swatching it, and it looked like it was a pretty good match for my skin, so I'm going to try it out. It's in Ivory Rose. I usually do 1 and 2 ECRU, and this is 2 C4, so it's a little bit different. I feel like this is going to be a little bit more cool toned, and the other one is a little bit more neutral, but we'll see. I have pretty cool toned skin, so I think it will work. I hope, because again, it was a really good price. It was like $25. And then they gave me this free Aveda Weightless Hydration shampoo in this little travel size. So I got this for free, and this is perfect for travel. So that's everything that I got. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.